Hello students, Miss Lockhart here. I'm going to show you how to sketch the outline or silhouette of a cat. So go ahead and have your pencil and a piece of scrap paper or sketchbook handy. Now we are going to fold this horizontal piece of paper in half. So it was a wide piece of paper and now we're folding it in half. You'll have two rectangles, and if you meet the corners and press down on the crease, you'll have a really nice fold right down the middle. Now we've divided up our paper so that we can draw two things inside this paper so we can practice. First, we're going to practice the cat. So I'm near the top of the page, about 2 inches from the top. I'm going to start with the cat's ear. It's going to be kind of like a little triangle with a curved top. Now, back to the head of the cat is another curved line. It's slanted, isn't it? And another curve for the back of the cat. This curve is much longer, and it'll end up curling under a little bit. See how it's going below and toward the left? So bring it to the left a little bit. It's a nice big curve. Okay, it's almost like the letter 3 with a little triangle ear on top. Now for the front of the face. So I'm going to go to the left and do a little curve that'll be like where its eyes are. And now it's going to come out almost like a 90-degree angle, and then tuck it in again. That's the cat's mouth and nose, and now chin. And you can always pause this and take as much time as you like. So now I'm going to bring that line down, another curve, but this time the curve goes to the right, doesn't it? And it goes down pretty straight until the very end of the line curves to the right. Okay, I'm going to outline the lines that are working, that I like, so it's easier for you to see, and so I can designate what lines I'll be using. Okay, so we're going to do the foot and the leg. So bring down the line pretty straight from the belly, and then out to the left and under and up again, because we're going to do a little paw. So it goes right back up. There's a leg, and then do a little curved line to the left of that leg, and it represents a foot. Now another curve, lots of curves, and this one is sort of like the hip of the cat. And now this is the foot of the cat. So you can do your best to do, let's see, I did the hip and then I kind of went to the left. You see a triangle inside the negative space of the legs there. That's a helpful tool. Okay, and now I'm just going around the lines that are working, and I'm going to make this cat have a nice long tail. Your tail can kind of go any direction you want, or you can follow along with me. It's just two curved, it's one line, but then it comes back around so that you see two lines to create that tail. Now I like to outline my drawing because it really helps me see the exact line I'll be cutting out, or it really just helps familiarize me and understand the drawing of the cat I just made, so that when it is time to redraw it, I'll have that muscle memory of the lines of my cat. This gives me another opportunity to change anything that I'm now seeing doesn't quite work. Like I'm going to make the foot a little bit bigger down at the bottom. Looks like I made that chest a little bit smaller, closer to the legs. And I'm going to do something a little bit different on the mouth too. So I'm going to go up a little bit higher above the line I made before. And I'm happy with my cat outline. You can always spend more time on your drawing, but do get familiar with your outline and your cat if that is the animal you're choosing before you go over to the next step. And you will want to erase the pencil lines that don't work so that you can really see what your outline is and what it looks like.